Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for today's painting, which is going to be a bloom on this beautiful dark lavenderish color. It's called Morning Glory by Color to Go from Sharon Williams. For our colors, I have multiple. Not sure if I'll be using all of them, but since they're freshly mixing on the table, let's go over these. This is champagne. I've been using a lot of this. This is a metallic from Deco Art. This is Amsterdam's greenish yellow. This is I can't read the name on this, but it's like a canary yellow, but I added a couple of golds to it, a couple of different golds. I added Master Touch Pearlized Bright Gold, as well as Golden Iridescent Fine Gold to this. This is actually a pigment. It's called Macaw Blue Green. I mixed that with a little bit of Liquitex pouring medium before I added my bloom recipe to it. So that's that color. This is Aqua Flash. It's an iridescent by Folk Art. Pretty green. And this is Liquitex Iridescent White. So I use the iridescent white for both of these colors. To this, I added Liquitex. What is this? This is a bright aqua green. So I added a little bit of Liquitex bright aqua green to iridescent white. And for this one, I added golden stainless steel to the iridescent white. And for my cell activator today, I have Amsterdam graphite. So that's that. I am going to insert footage here to show you how the paintings from the last video dried while I get the canvas set up. All right, here are the dried results from the last video. The two paintings on the white base, those were the two that I did paint in that video. And the one in the center, I just did that one last week as well. I did a short for this one, so you can find that in my shorts if you want to check it out. But yeah, those colors work well together, and the gold that runs throughout kind of like brings it all together. I love the shimmer in the colors. So I don't really have a favorite one. I love them both. But yeah, just wanted to let you guys check out how they dried. Okay guys, today I will be using a 12 by 16 inch gallery wrap canvas. And I don't need any water, it's tight enough. So we're just gonna jump right into this pour. This is kind of like a challenge for myself because I prefer using white for blooms. So I'm gonna be using some different colors, testing them out and seeing what I get. Oh, that is so pretty. All right. So first we're going to go down with the mystery yellow. with gold. Then we'll do the iridescent white with the aqua mix. Then the eye candy macaw. Next up is Amsterdam's greenish yellow. To that, I'm going to add the champagne. And I'm going to add a little drizzle of the stainless steel and iridescent white. Next is Aqua Flash. And I think what I'm going to do is stop here. See what we get. And then we'll do our graphite cell activator. Okay, let's blow it out. Alright guys, I am not that impressed with this one. So instead of spinning it out, I'm going to go again. And I'm going to, I don't know what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to try layering differently. Okay, let's go again. I'm not going to be using all of those colors this time. First, let's go down with the greenish yellow. Then we're going to do the white mixed with stainless steel. Aqua Flash. macaw, and I think I'm gonna do a little bit around the edges of this bright aqua with the iridescent white, as well as the champagne. So this time I'm going to add some of my new favorite gold, which is this Pouring Masters 24 karat gold ready to pour paint. Not coming out. All right. Okay, and now we're going to add our graphite. Okay, let's give this another go. So I think the issue that I'm having today is that I chose colors that were light because I knew I was using a dark background, a dark base, but I think I should have added at least one darker color for contrast. But I'm loving this blowout much more than the first one, so we're gonna go ahead and rock with these colors and get this spent out. Spin it out. And my blooms, but this is pretty awesome. I'm gonna give it a couple of more spins, and then I'm going to bring you in for the close-up so that you can actually see what I see. I have some gorgeous sails. Gorgeous. Alright guys, so this is what we have, and there are some iridescent cells here that look almost glass-like. But yeah, I'm really pleased with this one. Even got a few peacock cells here too. So if you did make it to the end of the video, I would really appreciate it if you would give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, and also sharing with others who enjoy art. Thanks so much for watching today, and I will see you again very soon. Have a gorgeous day. Alright guys, so here are the dried results for today's painting, and it did dry darker than expected. It looks illuminated now because it has so much iridescence, and I really overdid it with the gold. And there is a light on the camera, so it's illuminated, but without the light, it actually is darker than what it appears to be. So, lesson learned. I probably should have used white cell activator. So that's what I'm going to do next time.